This is the afternoon weather update. This is for Monday, the 6th of November. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather will stay warm and dry through the daytime hours Thursday, but a chance of some really needed rain before the weekend gets here. We've got new model data in, so let's dive in and take a look. We'll begin as we typically do with the upper air look across the country today. Got this upper high that's over the Gulf of Mexico, kind of edging in here from the south. The main mid-latitude westerlies a little north of here. We do note a few high cirrus clouds around today. Haven't seen those in a while, but those are high-altitude clouds. The low levels are very dry, and there's absolutely nothing happening on radar. Temperature is pretty mild, almost 10 degrees above average. The average high for this state is 68. We've got 77 for Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden, Tuscaloosa 75. And how about some low 80s? For South Alabama today, Mobile and Dothan at 82. We'll see a new surge of cool air coming in here by the weekend, but for much of this week, the weather will be fairly warm for early November. And again, it's really quiet. You get the idea. At some point, it's just going to break loose later in November and December. But for now, just enjoy the calm. Of course, the problem is it's the lack of rain. We all know that, but very quiet day today across the country. No severe storms expected through tonight. Maybe some thunder around Buffalo and Erie and back in the northwestern states. Tomorrow, not a single thunderstorm expected across the country. And on day 3, which is Wednesday, maybe some thunder for Michigan and some of the adjacent states. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The bulk of this will be Thursday night and Friday. Rain amounts about 1/2 inch. This is not a drought buster, but it's certainly a move in the right direction. We'll take what we can get. Look at the tropics, very calm. And hopefully we're done with it, but understand we've still got a couple more weeks to go here. The season ends at the end of November, but no tropical systems expected over the course of the next 7 days. Model fans, let's take a look. The GFS, this is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. Ridging in place. A sunny and warm day, the high close to 80 in most spots, low 80s in South Alabama. Same thing on Wednesday, and then Thursday, rain begins to break out west of the state. Places like Memphis, Little Rock, Dallas-Fort Worth. And those showers will probably creep in here Thursday night, and Friday we should have rain at times. Not expecting a major rain event, no severe storms, probably no thunder, just periods of rain. Rain amounts about 1/2 inch statewide, but hey, it's a move in the right direction. And the high Friday will drop in the 60s over the northern half of the state, 70s for the southern counties. And at the moment, the weekend looks dry. We've seen some inconsistency in this deal. This is Saturday, and the GFS depicting the rain will be gone, and the day will be dry. Probably some lingering clouds with some overrunning, highs in the 60s in most spots. And Sunday, evidence there could be some rain down around Dothan and Ozark and Geneva, but the rest of the state dry. Again, probably more clouds than sun. Highs will be in the 60s. And a week from today, Monday the 13th of November, we have a big ridge developing over the middle of the country, a northwest flow aloft, and the weather should be cool and dry. Let's go out 10 days. This is Thursday, the 16th of November. We still have a northwest flow aloft, and we are still dry. So at the moment, a decent chunk of next week looks dry. That next good rain event probably just beyond this time frame. In fact, let's go out 15 days with the GFS ensemble. And you're just looking for signals. That's all you're looking for here. And the mean on the GFS between 1 and 2 inches, what I showed you this morning, the European, the mean was between 2 and 3 inches. But one way or the other, we'll take whatever we can get here. That's certainly a decent sign. And again, notice some of the ensemble members are very aggressive, suggesting rain amounts over 5 inches. Now, we don't expect that. Those are outliers, but the concept might be there. But again, the mean between 1 and 2 inches between now and the 22nd of November. We'll check the numbers coming off the national blend of models. This is for Birmingham. Your number might be different. Highs around 80 tomorrow and Wednesday. 78 Thursday. Then a pretty good cool down for Friday and the weekend. Highs going back in the 60s. Lows should be in the 40s by early next week. A little below average for this time of the year, but there's evidence we'll rebound in the period November 14th through the 20th. This is the new 8 to 14 day guidance just in. And again, you sell this red here. This is not like a red you see in July or August. Temperatures, when they're above average in November, that might mean a high of 69 here. But temperatures probably a little above average at that point if this forecast all works out. Had a great time today at Childersburg High School. Saw some special students there this morning and also had a chance to speak with some students at Haleyville Middle via Zoom, a little virtual call with them earlier this afternoon. Tomorrow going to be at Montevallo Elementary School. We'll be there at 9 o'clock. Then I've got Oak Mountain Presbyterian for a lunch for the senior adults there. Wednesday morning, Hoax Bluff Elementary, home of the Eagles in Etowah County. That'll be a lot of fun. Be speaking Wednesday night at Indian Springs Baptist Church for a men's ministry event. Thursday morning, Sacred Heart School in Cullman, Alabama. And then Friday, it's Veterans Day, so school is out for most systems. And then Saturday, we got a book signing, and we're going to Rockford, Coosa County. I like it. I like it a lot. We're going to be in Rockford Saturday. And be sure I got my times right here. We're going to be there from 9:15 to 12:15. 9:15 Saturday morning to just afternoon at the Triple R Cafe in Rockford. This is going to be good. We have not done one of these in Rockford before. So if you live in Rockford, anywhere in Coosa County, maybe you're in Elmore County or Tallapoosa, anywhere nearby, just come see us. Hey, we'll have, all you can do is pray, the book about April 27, 2011, Generational Tornado Event, Weathering Life, my autobiography. We have the children's books, the Benny and Chipper series, Prepared Not Scared, and The Wonder of Thunder, all the cool hats and shirts. Hey, it's time to shop for Christmas. Come on here. That's all I'm seeing now is Christmas commercials. So these make fun Christmas gifts, and we have so much fun. We take a lot of pictures. So again, we'll see you guys at the Triple R Cafe, Rockford, 9:15 to 12:15 Saturday morning for the book signing. Tonight, Weather Brains, our weekly show for weather geeks, dweebs, nerds, dorks, and weenies. 7 o'clock, you can watch it live on the Weather Brains YouTube channel, youtube.com/weatherbrains. Most people listen to the audio podcast. That'll be out early tomorrow morning. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening right across the hall in Studio A, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.